So last weekend I opened up my winter sowing on May the 8th, and I want to show you what it looks like. It looks pretty good this year. Hello, this is Stephen from shortseasongarden.com, and I give you tips and tricks for gardening in short seasons. So please go to my website at www.shortseasongarden.com, sign up for my newsletter, and also check me out on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook at Short Season Garden. And while you're here, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, and click the notification bell so you get all my videos as they're released. So back to winter sowing. If you're not familiar with winter sowing, I did a video back in April of 2020, winter sowing. This year I did my winter sowing in March. And winter sowing is a neat concept. It allows you to plant your seeds directly outdoors in the wintertime. You don't need grow lights. You don't need all the special equipment that you need for sowing indoors. You don't have to worry about damp off. You don't have to harden your plants because they're hardened outdoors. What happens is you plant the seeds earlier than they should be germinating, but when it comes the proper time, they get warm. It gets warm enough, they germinate, and they'll endure some pretty harsh conditions. You can look at some of the snowstorms that my seeds endured March 27th and even on into April 22nd, I believe it was. So it's had some pretty rough go, but I decided here on May the 8th to open them up, and they're actually looking pretty good. So let's just it took me a little bit to get them cut open, and now we got them cut open. Let's take a look and see what we've got here. Okay, so this is my winter sowing that I started back in early April. So we're going to open. We took the tape off of these today, and we're going to look and see what we've got. So this is romaine lettuce, and you can see it's coming pretty good there. And I've got some bok choy. So it's done pretty well. You can see that I've got multiple seeds in each container because I had a hard time to just put one, and I wasn't sure how much to put. This is some more romaine lettuce. And we've got some broccoli. And some iceberg lettuce. And this is, let's see, this is some butter crunch lettuce, I guess. And we've got some more bok choy. So it's done pretty good. This is some red coral leaf lettuce, or head lettuce, I guess. Some kale. This is not doing quite so well. Broccoli. More broccoli. Some more iceberg lettuce. And some more butter crunch. Kale, more kale, some more red coral, some cilantro, and for some reason my basil didn't do too well, but here right down in the basil you can see little tiny plants coming, but they're not doing that great, so I didn't open them up. So I'm excited about winter sowing. Next year, give it a try yourself. I think you'll like it, and it saves a lot of the hassle that you have with indoor growing, with lights, hardening things off, and so on. And one more thing before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like bell, and we'll see you in the next video.